Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and this is the unboxing of Detroit steel wheels. These wheels are going to go on my 1961 Chevy Apache stepside, and the truck came with the original six lug, so I stayed with six lug. I am putting disc brakes on the front of the truck, and then these gorgeous wheels are going to go on all four corners. So these are they will have the Chevy dog dish that I currently have already on them. And then these are the downtown Smoothies. I got them in raw. We're going to paint them. You'll have to check out the future video that will show us painting them and then what they look like. But you can see that these are freaking awesome wheels. Looking forward to having these on my truck and the look that it's going to give it. Detroit downtown Smoothies. Thanks again for watching. Tune in later to see the finished product.